Today we are going to see Google Cloud Platform series. So we know we are using Gmail for sending the email and all other Gmail stuffs like Google Document, Sheet, everything. We have Google Cloud Platform. This platform have all the features to use in the company and also for the student for any purpose. Let's we discuss and start new series about Google Cloud Platform. In this series, we will see what are the features and products available in the Google Cloud Platform. So, in this video, we will see the overview about Google Cloud Platform. In from next videos, we will see all the features one by one, from storage to deployment till ML part. So we have the Vertex AI. It will define it. It's like a hub to integrate all the ML models to our system. We know that Google have Gemini. We can use Gemini through Vertex AI and BigQuery. So in this modern world, in this AI era, Google give very fantastic solution to use all the model at one place. We will see this all these features in next coming videos. Today we will see about overview about Google Cloud Platform, and we will see what are the features and products and solutions available to use for our purpose. Let's we will open the console dot cloud dot google.com. Once we loaded this, we will see the landing page. Here it will show all the details. Here we will go view all the product. When you go from here itself, it will show the products available and use more from our sites like App Engine, SQL, Cloud Run, BigQuery, PubSub, Databricks, everything one by one. Here we will see the overview about the product and features available in Google Cloud Platform. Here, when it comes to the management and cost, everything, if you are going to develop any models, it will take time and also it consume our cost. So Google develop more models and provided like a API to use from our sites. So it will in the management we can see here APIs, billing. So we can see the billing informations here. IAM admin we will give role and access to the users through IAM admin. So here we can use the Gemini things here, and also here we can see the compute engines. So nowadays we are not maintaining the systems much more, so we can buy and use system through compute engine in Google Cloud Platform. Using the Google Cloud compute engine, we can create VMs, GPUs, TPUs, disk, everything. Here, Kubernetes, it allow us to develop application and deploy here. So we will see the um, priority and most used product here today. So when you go to the storage, we can store the data long time, short time, and we can share this stored data to others. So we know that Google Storage will save raw files. It will contain all the structured data, semi-structured data, and object-oriented data. So we can see the data is here as object format, and also file store, storage, transfer, everything's available. When it comes to the analytics, we can use we will see separate video only for the BigQuery. The BigQuery is like a warehouse. It have data set, a list of tables, all the informations can store here. But for storing, we don't need to pay any amount. To retrieve, only we will pay. So we can store all the data in BigQuery. We can use ML stuffs here, and also we can connect our daily data analytics tools to create very good dashboards. So PubSub for streaming data flow, PubSub for integration the data with our BigQuery through streaming, data flow to collect the data and flow into the BigQuery for cleaning, for processing the data. Compose is like a workflow to connect the data to the our Google Cloud futures. Data proof. This all for data analytics stuffs. Looker Studios, everything. Networking. When it comes to the networking, VPC network and network service, we can use all this network to connect our, privately and publicly to our existing system or new system. Then distributor clouds, everything's the serverless. When I come to the here in the compute engine, we see we can create our own instance, everything to develop and deploy. If we don't need to use any system to maintain, to may run, if we don't need to, uh, we don't have time to do the things, we can use serverless platform in the Google Cloud. So Cloud Run here, once we develop the systems applications in VS Code or anything, we can deploy in the Cloud Run. Once we deploy it, it will available as a public and private. We no need to maintain this maintain the hardware anything. Once we deploy it through Cloud Run, we can use, there's an option for scaling and domain setting, everything options available. So when it comes to the Cloud Run function, is we can create like a short functions we can deploy as a API, and we can integrate for workflow or any applications deployment. And app engines a little more work than here. When it comes to the Cloud Run, we don't need to do anything, it's fully serverless. App engine also serverless, but we need to set some softwares, whatever we want, the API gateway endpoints, everything's available here. When it comes to the database center, this is for dashboard for database fleet across our product. And Alloy DB, it have the all the facilities available. SQL, so it's SQL. When it comes to the SQL, we have the MySQL. It's like a cloud SQL, a little yeah, it's like a Google SQL. It a little similar, most similar with the MySQL. PostgreSQL, SQL. So we create a lot of application using this cloud SQL. We will see all this product in the next coming videos. And data source, stores is like a NoSQL data store, and serverless file store, spanner, and big table, memory stores, everything's available. And we can see all this above features and its actions through logging. So when it come to the product, the observability is very important. Through observabilities, we can see the actions and behavior of our applications and systems. Through we have the logging and monitoring. Through this, we can see all the actions, and we can see the operations wise. We can see all this product for our use and security purpose. We can use app designing. These are the new stuffs coming recently. So app design center, which is so need to see how this is working. Even I did not export this. visually design and deploy your applications in collaborative space of your team. So we need to look out this. So everything Firebase, we can develop a full stack web and mobile app through Firebase. Gemini course assistance. We know the Gemini have now recently released 2.5 is very attractive and good useful for our development. And so this cloud bill, if once you develop, we can use a cloud bill to connect with the GitHub and our also deploy it into the cloud run. It will help us to do integration and develop and test and good for CI/CD pipeline and continuous work. So when it comes to the artificial intelligence, we have here Vertex AI. Here, Vertex AI is the one AI platform. It's a hub to integrate all the ML tools here. See, we can see here translation, document AI, everything, AI application, everything's available. We will see one by one coming days. And also the integration service like Cloud Scheduler, where you can schedule the actions at any time using the cron jobs, everything's. So tools, Lisa, these are available. We will see this all these actions, all the futures and product and use for the product users in next videos. Thank you. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.